back to my channel. My name is Just a Fun Guy, and I am particularly happy today. My coin channel has recently surpassed 180 subscribers. I think I'm at 184 or 185 now, but whoever subscribed, thanks a whole bunch, and I hope we get 180 more. Heck, I hope we get 1,000,000 more. Who knows how many more I'll get. Today's video is going to be about nickel errors and how to find and look for them. Unlike the penny errors, there are not that many errors for nickels, but it's still going to be a good video. With that being said, let's get to my video. But before I get to my video, I got one question for y'all. What is the craziest coin you've ever found? Error-wise, coin-wise, anything-wise. If it's a good one, let me know. On to my video. First off are dateless buffalo nickels. Dateless buffalo nickels are, they're not an error. It's a misconception that they're an error, but they're not. The reason that some buffalo nickels have no dates is simply because the dates have been worn off after many years in circulation. And the buffalo nickel's design has always been criticized for that. To find the date on a buffalo nickel, it's at the very bottom of the head, the Indian chief head. How much are buffalo nickels worth? Not knowing what year a coin was made makes it harder to tell the coin's story, so to speak. So it could be from 1913, it could be from 1938, or it could be from any date in between. While still cheap, they have risen to somewhat in value over the past decade. For example, dateless buffalo nickels were obtainable for less than 20 cents years ago. In fact, they were often spent for face value by those who just wanted to get rid of them. Most recently, buffalo nickels have been going for as much as 50 cents when they're dateless and more. Coin dealers may be willing to pay you 10 to 20 cents, but for as much as 50 cents, they're worth keeping. I think I have one or two dateless buffalo nickels myself, but most of them have dates. Date or no date, it's a buffalo nickel, and it's worth keeping. Next up, I'm covering some Jefferson nickels. When it comes to looking through these errors, I'm going to look for these errors, and I highly recommend you look for these errors, and a lot of these errors are easy to find, and looking through change is fun. So if you want to look through your change, or if you want to try to coin roll hunt and look through all these coins, you do that. I recommend all your people who are interested in coins and finding out more go coin roll hunting. That being said, the earliest major known Jefferson nickel era variety is the 1939 double Monticello. It is readily detectable by looking at the reverse or tail side of the coin, or you'll find a depiction of President Thomas Jefferson's home in Charlottesville, Virginia, called Monticello. On the double die versions of the 1939 nickel, strong doubling can be detected on the word Monticello and the denomination 5 cents. Values can range from about $50 for a well-worn specimen, or up to $500 for a more uncirculated example. Next up, a 1942 D over horizontal D. This variety is an example of a repunched mint mark. Here the D was punched into the die just better than Monticello. However, an error happened on the first attempt of the D, so a second D was punched over it. Thus, it resulted the D over D variety. The 1942 D over D Jefferson nickel was worth at least $50 in uncirculated grades, with uncirculated examples selling for more than $2,000. Next up is the 1971 No S. This rare 1971 No S proof Jefferson nickel is easily one of the most sought after nickel errors ever. It's certainly among the rarest of Jefferson nickels. Found only in collector proof sets, the No S Jefferson nickel is considered a holy grail among these who collect modern nickels. The 1971 No S Jefferson nickel is worth about $1,000 and up. You may recognize this last nickel from my channel art. The 1913 V or Liberty Head nickel. 5 were only ever made. It is one of the rarest coins in the world, and I don't think you're going to find it in circulation because all 5 have been claimed as far as I know. But if you want to buy one at an average of $3.4 million, you're going to have to set back a few million. And if you want to buy one that's in certified mint state or MS Plus condition, it's going to be worth around $4.4 million. So start saving up. Well, I covered but a fraction of the nickels you can look for. I didn't have until October of 2041, so I could only cover so many. With that being said, my name is Just a Fun Guy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell icon. And if you have a question you don't want to comment down below, just email me. My email is justafunguy@gmail.com. And if you want to follow me on any other social media, Facebook at Just a Fun Guy, and Tumblr at FunGuyMan001. So, with that being said, my name is Just a Fun Guy. I'm signing off. So long, YouTube.